rectangular living and dining area. So basically this is a here you will enter into your kitchen area. One more thing, the most spacious one in this house. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at the World of Joy project, which is located in Miapur, Aminpur Mandal, Hyderabad, a project by Urban Rise developer. And today we are here to check their 3 BHK sample flat. But before that, let's check out the surrounding of the project. So as you can see, this is the marketing office of the World of Joy project. And the land parcel is just beside the sales office itself. So this is the land parcel and you can see the construction work. Now let me show you the location of the project. So this is the Coca-Cola road over here. So this road over left hand side connects you towards the Aminpur lake and on the right hand side connects you towards the Miapur main road. Now let me tell you that what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, where in Housey we connect you directly with developer because the listing is done by the builder and not the broker. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now before the sample flights, let's do the project overview. So this is your project coming up in 10.6 acres in which they are coming up with 5 towers. So each tower will be having 2 basement, 4 podium, ground plus 42 floors with 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK 2T, 3 BHK 3T and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let's check the amenities. So this project is coming up with 200 plus luxurious amenities like of let's check with the help of this 3D model. So as you can see, this is the wave pool, the kids play area, skating ring, and there is the rooftop amenities. So just imagine with the amenities on 42nd floor. So this is the rooftop amenities in which they are coming up with restaurant, cafeteria, sitting area, even the garden area on the rooftop, and all the towers are interconnected with the skywalk itself. And this is 1 lakh square feet clubhouse. So in clubhouse also there is the mini theater with the swimming pool. So there are total 4 pools. And over this side they are coming up with the half basketball court. Again the kids play area on the podium level and many more. So now let's check your 3 BHK plus 3T with 1839 square feet super built up area. So let's enter to your beautiful and spacious home. So once you enter from the main entrance, you can see they have provided rectangular living and dining area. So basically this is a living area where they have set the sofa set in front of the TV unit and they have made a beautiful interior just for your reference. Now let's check the dining area. For the partition purpose they have made this thing. And now over here they have set the dining table. Now exactly in front of the dining table you will be getting the beautiful balcony area. So here comes the balcony. This is the spacious balcony area in which you will be getting 3-side open view with toughened glass railing with anti-skid and wooden finishing tiles, and from here you will be enjoying the beautiful and scenic view. Now let's move towards the kitchen area. So let me inform you that your 1 bedroom is over this side with kitchen and your 2 bedrooms over this side. Now let's move towards the kitchen area. So over here they have provided with the sink area. And now here you will enter into your kitchen area. One more thing I would like to inform that currently the offers are going on in which they are providing the furnished home. So in furnished home they are providing with the granite kitchen, the modular one, German wardrobes in your bedrooms with split ACs. And now you can see the space in your kitchen area, right? And just behind me over here they have provided a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And now over here comes the dry balcony. So this is a dry balcony, comes with anti-skid tiles with a tile drop to avoid the water spillage. And in dry balcony also they have provided a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now let's move towards the bedroom area. So now coming to the first bedroom over this side. So this is the entrance of the bedroom number 1. You can see that once you enter, they have provided a small lobby for your privacy purpose. And now here comes the bedroom space. They have made an interior for study room or is the workspace like this. So just for your reference, over here even they have provided a window for ventilation purpose again. And this bedroom comes with attached washroom over here. So here comes the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting. Now let's move towards the bedroom number 2. So just beside this bedroom comes the bedroom number 2. So here is a space. You can use it in a multi-purpose way. And now from here we'll enter towards the bedroom number 2. So this is the bedroom space. You can just check the space over here. Inside the bed space, you will be getting the ample of space to walk inside the room itself. Here comes the window for ventilation and lighting purpose. A big window, and now sort of this they are providing the wardrobe in furnished flat. And now over this side comes the washroom, attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now, before moving towards the master bedroom, let me tell you what all feature Housey provides you. So Housey provides you with the actual location tour of each and every project with such sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, with payment scheme and EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. But for all these features, you have to do one thing, that is go and register yourself on www.housey.com and schedule your free site visit. Wasting any time, let's move towards the master bedroom. So walking through your dining area, we'll enter towards your master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. Let's check. The most spacious one in this house. You can see the space you can see the space that in spite of this king size bed, they have given you the ample of space to walk inside. And here comes the wardrobe space. And now the window. So even here they have provided a big window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now again, just here comes the second wardrobe and the attached washroom. So here comes the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are at the project of Urban Rise. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And for more such details of this project, click on the I button. And if you liked our video, do not forget to like, follow, subscribe. Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.